Good morning, students. Today we will study about energy, that is chapter number 3. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of that chapter is energy. Understand? And what it is chapter number 3. Now today we will study about unit 1. What is unit 1? Energy and work and their unit. Energy and work and their unit. So all of you open your books. Understand? So now see, what is energy? From where do we acquire energy? How do we use that energy? All these are the questions which will comes to our mind when we read this word energy. Understand? So to tell this answer, I will tell you that in our daily life, what happens? We need to perform certain actions. In everyday life, we need to perform certain actions like to wake up, to walk, to read, to study, to run. Understand? Everything from the morning till the night. What happens? We will do certain actions. Whether we are walking, we are doing something or other, we are doing. Understand? So if we are able to do that work, that means what happens? We have energy in our body. Understand? We have energy in our body, then only we are doing that work. Understand? So to perform certain actions, we need to have energy. And from where that energy we have? From where that energy we get? We get that energy from the food. From the food which we acquire, which we eat. That is why it is suggested to eat a very healthy diet daily in our life. Understand? Vegetables and all other fruits. Understand? That diet, proper diet, milk, everything which we need to take. Why? Because to get energy, so that we can perform work very easily. We can do work easily. So what happens? All living body need to perform certain work, and those certain activities, work, what happens? Needs energy. And from where that energy we get energy from the food. Understand? And suppose if we have to do any work which is not capable for us, we cannot do that work. Understand? We are not, how much energy we will have, but it is not possible for a human being to do that work. For that, what we need to use the energy of animals like bullock cart. Understand? Bullock cart. You all have seen in your daily life bullock cart. Understand? So, matlab बैल गाड़ी. So you all have seen. So what happens? In this bullock cart, there are many people sit, and what happens? Bullock will drive from one place to other person. So that will not be able to done by a human being. It needs a more energy than what a human body possesses. So for that we need to use bullocks. That means animals. Like that, in many other cases, what we will do? We will use the energy of animal for our own profit. Understand? And something more heavier work if we have to do, in that doing, what happens? Animal energy is also very less. Then what we will do? We will use machine. Then at that time we will use machine. And that machines, what it will fed up. From where this machine get energy? We all know that from petrol, diesel, coal. All these are the energy given element for machines. Understand? And from animals, from where they get energy? From grass, from leaves. Understand? Everything like this, paddies. Understand? So from there they will get energy. So what is energy? Energy is the amount of consumed energy, only we can say, stored in our body. Understand? And by what? By that we will do certain work. Understand? So this is energy. So what is energy? I will ability to do work, and that ability is of which person? From our body. Ability of our body, ability of machine, ability of animals to do work. Understand? Is energy. That means what is energy? Energy is stored. Energy is not that it will it will seen to you. It will never say to you. What happens? It is just stored in our body. If we have energy, we can walk easily. If we don't have energy, what happens? We will not able to walk easily. We will fall down. You have seen many cases in the hospitals. What happens? Someone need to carry a person from one place to other place. Why? Because that person is not feeling well. He is unwell, and he is unwell up to that limit that he cannot walk from one place to other place. What happens? We need to carry that person from one place to other place. That means what? The energy is very poor on that person. Understand? So if he has energy, what happens? He can walk easily. So this is energy, ability of doing work. It is a stored energy. It will never seen to you. It is stored energy. Understand? So this is energy, ability of doing work. And what happens? See here. Energy, force, and work. These are three terms. Energy, force, and work. These are three terms. They are related to each other. They are related to each other. Understand? When a body consumes something, eats something, fuel that machine, what happens when it will be fueled? What happens? It will now store energy. Now that body is stored energy. Now it possesses that ability to do work. Now body is having enough energy. And what happens when body is having enough energy? It will do some work. It will do some work. So what happens in doing that work? What happens? We are losing energy from our body. We are losing energy from our body. And what happens? That energy is not wasting. That energy is not wasted. What happens? That energy is used to do some useful work. That energy is used to do some useful work. So energy is never wasted. It just changed from one work to other work. From one person to other work. Understand? So it is never wasted. Understand? Whatever energy that which we have fed, we have used it to do some useful work. And for doing that useful work, we need to exert force. We need to exert force. So if we have energy, we will exert force. We will exert force, apply force, and because of that force, what happen? Work will be done. Because of that force, what happen? Work will be done. So energy, force, and work are interrelated terms. Understand? Energy is ability of doing work. Capacity of a body to do work is known as energy. When a body having energy, what happens? It will exert force to do some work. It will exert force to do some work, and because of that force, what happens? Work will be, a useful work will be done. Is known as energy. So this is a complete introduction of about energy. What is energy? How we use, how we have consumed energy, from where we get energy, how do we use that energy? Everything I have explained here. Understand? Now see. Few examples given in your book, like when a girl is cycling. A girl is cycling. See the first page, it is the picture present there. A girl is cycling. Cycling, a girl is cycling. Understand? So what it is she is doing? She is doing some work for cycling. She needs energy. That means girl is cycling. That means girl is doing some work. And on doing that work, what happens? We have to apply that force, and from that force, where from we get from energy. So altogether, if she is cycling, that means she has stored energy enough in her body, so that she can cycle easily. Understand? When girl is cycling, hammering a nail, hammering a nail, kicking a football, kicking a football. All these are the examples given in your book. Kicking a football. Understand? It is also a doing work. That means if we are doing some work, we can say that what energy is using. We are using the energy. Understand? We are using the energy to do some work. Understand? To do some work. See here what it is written. The ability which does work on page number 44. See second column. The object which does work loses energy. The object that what I have told which will do work will lose energy. At the same time, the object on which work is done, the object on which work is done, understand, gains energy. It will gain energy. Like we have energy in our body, and when we are kicking on a football, what happens? That means the energy which we have stored, by that we have kicked the football. So we have lost a bit of energy, and that bit of energy is gained by the football in doing that work. Understand? So energy is gained by football. How does this happen? The object having energy exerts force on another object, and in doing so transfers the energy to it. The object which receives energy may do work. Understand that I have already explained that energy, force and work are interrelated terms. When we have energy, but what happened? We will exert force, and by the exerting of force, our work is done. Understand? So energy never be wasted. The capacity or ability of body to do work is called energy. Understand? The capacity or ability of a body to do work is called energy. So now see, for example, if we are applying 100 joule energy, to move a box like this is a box. We are applying 100 joule energy to move the box from one place to another place. Understand? From one place to another place. It is shifted from one place to other place. From one place to other place, what happens? It is shifted by when we are applying 100 joule of energy. So we are saying that a useful work is done. Understand? A useful work is now done. In doing that energy, a useful work is done. So this is the energy. Now question arises, what is work? Now question arises, what is work? Because I have explained everything energy. What is work? Understand? So see here, in our daily life, we are doing various ways of work. Like when I am teaching, I am doing my work. I am doing a work. When you are studying, you are doing a work. Understand? So suppose like this only. When you are sitting on a table and you are reading something, you are singing a song, you are listening a music. Understand? At that time also you are doing work. Understand? That means what kind of work it is? Mental work. It is a mental work. You are applying your mental ability. Mental work. When you are studying, you are solving problem sums, you are applying your mental ability. When you are reading physics, when you are reading chemistry, you are studying some other subject, geography and all, what happens? You are applying your mental ability. You are doing a mental work. Understand? And when you are listening music, singing song, every time what you are doing, you are sitting at one place and you are doing that work. All these work are that in which you don't have to shift. You don't have to change your place. And all these work, what you have to do, you have to remain same from in the same position, and only you are applying your mental work to do that work. Though by applying that mental work, we are using energy. We get fed up, we get tired up. But what happens? This work is never included in the heading of the physics. In the heading of the physics, this work will never included. Understand why? Because according to the work means our displacement should be caused. Displacement should be done. Work is said to be done. Work is said to be done only when applied force causes some displacement. Understand? So work is said to be done only when applied force causes some displacement. There should be some displacement needed in the language of physics. Then only it will be considered as a work. If there is no displacement in the body, what happens? Then this will not be included as a work in the heading of physics. Understand? In the physics language we can say. Understand? So if we are singing, studying, listening music, understand? So all these are not included in the work. Understand? These are not included in the work, though all these are a mental work. Though all these are included in mental work, all these will be included in the mental work, singing, studying, listening music. But what happens in the physics language, in the physics, we will not include these things in the heading of work. Understand why? Because there is no displacement is having. There is no displacement is having. Only when there is some displacement, only when we have energy stored in our body, and we will apply force on another body, and because of applying force, what happens? A displacement should be caused. Understand? Then only we will say that work is said to be done in physics. Understand? So work कब होगा? जब मेरे अंदर बॉडी में क्या है? एनर्जी स्टोर्ड हो, और उस एनर्जी से हम फोर्स एक्सर्ट करें, और उस फोर्स के द्वारा क्या हो? डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो, बॉडी क्या है वो एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन में चली जाए, उसमें सब कुछ चेंजेस आ जाएं, तो हम ये बोलेंगे कि अब वर्क हुआ है। सिंगिंग, स्टडिंग, लिसनिंग म्यूजिक में क्या है? हम एक ही जगह पे बैठे हुए हैं। वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग अवर पोजीशन। मेरी बॉडी की पोजीशन चेंज नहीं हो रही है। दैट मीन्स व्हाट? यहाँ पे फिजिक्स की लैंग्वेज में इसे वर्क में इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाएगा। अंडरस्टैंड? सो this is a work. Work is said to be done only when applied force cause displacement. Understand? So this is work. Now see here, units of energy and work. Understand? Units of energy and work. Unit of energy. Unit of energy is joule. Unit of energy is joule. 100 joule, 20 joule, 50 joule, 60 joule. When it is written about joule, then we will say that it is telling about what? Energy. For example, 100 joule. Only J is written. Understand? Or in short form, what happens? Capital J will be written in before the number. That means what happens? It is telling about what? It is telling about energy. It is defining a energy. That means unit of energy is joule. Unit of force is Newton. Capital N Newton. That means 20 Newton. Understand? 20 Newton is the force. Understand? 30 Newton, 20 Newton, 50 Newton, 60 Newton. Understand? Unit of force. And what happened? Unit of work. It is also joule. It is also joule. Understand? It is also joule. Why? Because in doing applying force, what happens? Energy is changing in doing some useful work, so it is converted. So work is also having same energy, that same unit, that is joule. So this is the units of energy, force and work. You all need to remember it. It is very important. So you all need to remember it, and the explanation which I have given, it is very important. Listen it, understand it. If you have any problem, read it from the book. Understand? Read it from the book till factors determining work. Read it till there. I have explained till there. From factors determining work, I will explain tomorrow or in our next period. Understand? So thank you till here, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Those who have subscribed, it is okay. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe it right now. Thank you.